Hey guys, today we're going to make a prime number sorting function in Python. First of all, let's talk about what is a prime number. A prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. For example, 5 is a prime number because no other number than 5 and 1 can divide it. However, 4 is not because 4 could be divided by 2. We can give the same example for 15. 15 could be divided by both 3 and 5. Now that we know what's a prime number, let's move to the coding part. Now that we know what is a prime number, we can begin. Let's create a function called isPrime and put in a parameter, let's say it's x, and we should make sure that our number is bigger than 1, and then iterate every number between 2 and x. After we did that, what I'm basically typing here is that if a number between 2 and x divides x and gets a remainder of 0, we'll know that it is not a prime number because there are other numbers that can divide it and we'll break out of this loop. But if this statement isn't triggered, we'll know that it is a prime number. Let's test this out. Print is prime, and we'll pass in 15. We should get a result that is saying false, and here we did. If we pass in 17, we'll get a true result. Let's review what we have done today. We first created a function called isPrime and passed a parameter called x. We used if statement to determine if our number is greater or equal to 1. Later on, we used a for loop to get every number between 2 and x. Later, we used these numbers to divide x and find out if any division had a remainder of 0. If any division had a remainder of 0, we would understand that our number is not a prime number, so we would return a false statement and break out of the loop. If this statement wasn't triggered, we would get true because we would understand that our number is a prime number. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.